Hi kvCORE users, my name is Gabe, I'm with API Nation. I wanted to explain exactly what this kvCORE and Google Sheets sync is going to do for you. If you're looking for complete control of your contacts, the ability to make sure that they're backed up safely, automatically, every day, all the time, so that they're always with you no matter what happens, this is the sync you want to turn on. It's going to run every 15 minutes and make sure any updates you make to your contacts is synced to a Google Sheet. Not only that, let's say you use an ISA, a virtual assistant, or you have a marketing team, a third-party marketing app you want to send your contacts and leads to, but you don't want to send them your kvCORE login credentials, your password, how you get into kvCORE, and you don't want them getting in there and touching it. You got it perfectly set up. You got that business in the box. It's working for you. Send them this Google Sheet. It's going to push everything they need, all the contact and lead information into this Google Sheet so that you can just share that with them. They don't have to get into your kvCORE and possibly do something that might affect your business. You can just give them all the leads, all the contacts right in that Google Sheet. Also, if you want to experiment, you can hop into that Google Sheet, you can move things around, run reports, create charts, see what works for you, and if it works great, bring it into your kvCORE. All that, and it's super easy to set up. Let me show you how to do it. Just like any of the syncs at API Nation, all you have to do, sign in. So we're gonna click Connect kvCORE. And then I'm already signed into Google Sheets, so I'm just gonna click Next here. So now that we're signed in, all we have left to do is decide what exactly we wanna sync over. I wanna sync over all contacts on first run. And then the type, I can select all, or if I want to create a sheet of just buyers or just sellers so that my marketing team can have a sheet that's already segmented so that they can target them with a seller campaign or a buyer campaign, or I can have a list of agents that I can send listings out to. I can do that. I'm just going to do all. And it's going to Gabe at API Nation. That's where I want the Google Sheet to go. It's going to go into my Google Drive account. And then the sheet name, you can put whatever you want. You can put kvCORE people. I'm going to put leads for marketing. And then I hit the button, and that's it. The sync is all set up, it's running, it's pushing all your leads into that sheet. If you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. We love doing this stuff.